It's a gorgeous autumn morning this morning, so I'm going on a long walk. So I'm on holiday at the moment, which is really great because it means that I can spend every day enjoying the autumn how I like without having to worry about time or keeping to a schedule. So, however, I do feel quite guilty about that because I've got all this time now, so many different creative subjects that I want to get stuck into and get finished, and I feel guilty for not using my time to do that. So I'm going to enjoy a walk this morning. Yesterday I spent half the day at a really lovely cafe writing my novel, or writing a short story, which I really enjoyed. It was really nice to just sit somewhere and listen to people chatting and eating in a really inspiring location and just let my imagination take over. I found it very easy to do. The only problem was after about 4 hours my back was aching, so I came back. It was very windy, it started to rain. I put a really cozy film on. That was really nice. So hopefully today will be just as nice. But I've had so many lovely things happen this month. It's been such a lovely month. I think it is now my official favourite month, September. And it seems where I am at the moment is a goose fly past. There are geese non-stop flying over and all landing in the field. Hundreds and hundreds of them getting ready to fly off, I suppose. So I hope you enjoy the rest of the video.
know the words. Underneath the arches, I dream my dreams away. Underneath the arches, on the cobblestones I lay. Every night you'll find me, oh, I'm tired out and so warm, happy when the daylight comes creeping, heralding the dawn. I know that you're bound to answer when I propose. Anything goes. Little version, let's not fence one another in, because we recognise these reprobates from everywhere.